What is up YouTube? Welcome to the another episode of Your Tech Consumer. So today I will be basically giving a short review and unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M40. So stay tuned in the video. Without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So Samsung Galaxy M40 has been launched yesterday at 11 a.m. Somewhat, in which Samsung has organized a live launch event in India Today's channel. So Samsung phone will debut with an Infinity O display and include a triple camera setup. It also has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor and a support of 32 megapixel primary camera as well. Other highlights of the Samsung Galaxy M40 would be the presence of a screen sound technology which will produce audio of the earpiece underneath the screen. The earpiece has been a floating earpiece has been fitted in this mobile device. So without any visual earpiece, you can see in this phone at the top of the device itself, and it also gets a dedicated button for voice assistant as well. So Samsung M40, let's talk about the UI itself of the Samsung M40. Samsung M40 also runs in Android 9 Pie out of the box and One UI on top. Notably, the Samsung Galaxy M40 will be the latest model in the Galaxy M lineup that Samsung unveiled earlier this year to target us, that is the young smartphone. However, Samsung India's Senior Vice President for Mobile Business Asim Warsi, in a conversation with Gadgets 360 last month, already confirmed that the Galaxy M40 is going to carry a price tag of around 20,000 rupees. This would make the new phone a stronger competitor against the top end variants of the Realme 3 Pro and Redmi Note 7 Pro, as well as the Nokia 7.1 and Poco F1 as well. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy M40 will have an octa-core Snapdragon 675 SoC along with 6 GB of RAM. The available hardware is claimed to enable an ultra smooth and super quick multitasking performance and experience you would get while using this phone mobile device. It is also going to have a 128 gigabytes of storage on board and NFC support as well. So that's on the bread on the butter. The Samsung Galaxy M40 will come with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, 1080 into 2340 pixels per inch. Remind you friends, it's not an AMOLED display. So Infinity comes with an Infinity O display and packs a 3500 mAh battery coupled with a USB Type-C cable and 15-watt charging brick. So after that, the Samsung Galaxy M40 is also going to have a 5 megapixel depth sensor, though it has a triple rear camera setup. So first, the primary sensor would gonna be the 32 megapixel camera. The secondary sensor would be the 5 megapixel depth sensor, and the third would be the 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor that is you're gonna use for group fee or a wide selfie as well. Remind you friends, it has not got an in-display fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is mounted at the rear of the device itself. So since after the debut in India back in late January this year, the Samsung Galaxy M series smartphones have crossed the mark of 2 million sales. The range notably started its journey with the Galaxy M10 and M20, though it added the M30 in March. So it's a very good device, I would say, in conclusion, that it has got very updated technologies that you're gonna get in a very minimalistic price point, I would say, in my preference, and everyone would though it's targeting the young consumers of India, so it would be a hit if the Indian consumers would see forth to this device and experience the punch hole design and the Infinity O display. It's better than a pop-up camera, right? The punch hole display gonna work for your lifetime, and the pop-up camera is very flimsy kind of a thing that would stop working after some time, and you have to purchase a new device for that without using the front camera. And so that's all in the video, guys. I will be ending the video now. So without any further ado, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon beside that, and don't forget to hit the like button if you end up liking this video. And if you didn't like the video, you know what to do. And comment section is given below. You write what you would like about this device, what feature you would like about this device, and why would you purchase this device in future. So I will be ending the video now. Let's see in the next video. Peace.